When it comes to business intelligence, self-service analytics and real-time analytics are two important flag bearers. Therefore, in today's session, we will be going through the various differences, similarities, and basics of self-service analytics and real-time analytics. But before we move on to the session, make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon so that you will never miss any insightful updates from Intellipaat. Without any more wait, let's get to today's agenda. What is self-service analytics? Why is self-service analytics used? What is real-time analytics? Why is real-time analytics used? Major differences, bonus strategies, and then we'll have a quick recap of the entire session. So without any further ado, let's get to the first topic.
What is self-service analytics? Self-service analytics is the ability to access data and produce insights by people within an organization without the assistance of a deep technical expert or reliance on IT. Traditional business intelligence and service analytics are distinguished primarily by the fact that rather providing BI to end users, IT's purpose is to enable BI for those same users. Vendors are developing more and more products that give business customers the ability to work with data that was compiled with various sources. Users of the software have access to dashboards, which gives them ability to query and interact with enormous amounts of data. In the past, trained data analysts, often referred to as data scientists today, were the only ones capable of performing this type of analysis. Now let's hop over to our next topic. Why is self-service analytics used? In a conventional BI environment, an end user might submit an IT request to the query data to produce reports or Excel spreadsheets with the data they requested. This approach limits the creativity and insights that the business can produce fast while giving IT more control over the data quality. Business users are more likely to dive into the analysis when data is presented in an easily comprehensible manner. Business users are freed up to spend more time studying and uncovering crucial insights in the data that may result in the process changes, the automation of manual processes or other actionable insights rather than spending hours pencil whipping data together through spreadsheets. Let's see our next topic. What is real-time analytics? Real-time analytics is the field of study that uses logic and mathematics to analyze data to produce insights that help decision makers act more swiftly and wisely. Real-time analytics for some use cases may merely imply that they are finished shortly after the fresh data is received, usually within seconds or even few minutes. On-demand real-time analytics offers the analytical results after waiting for people or systems to request a query. Continuous real-time analytics is more proactive and notifies users or initiates actions as the events takes place. Businesses are able to respond instantly thanks to real-time analytics. They can seize the chances or head off issues before they even arise. Now let's move on to our next topic, which is why is real-time analytics used? Real-time analytics show you how to maximize your consumers' satisfaction by understanding when and why they behave the way they do. By cutting costs across the company in areas like hiring and staff retention, employee management, and of course the workload of the IT department, real-time analytics can help an organization become more profitable. A rapid change in the market might present organizations with excellent chances. Real-time analytics can help you foresee potential financial costs or conversely potential financial windfalls. Businesses can forecast with certainty and optimize their data to identify the best solution when they have quick answers at their fingertips. To simplify important decisions, split testing or A/B testing can be easily done. Now let's get to the main part of this session where we discuss the major differences between self-service analytics and real-time analytics, which brings us to our next topic, which is major differences. Now when it comes to self-service analytics, it has comparatively less dependency on the information technology. Your IT team will have less time for you to focus on high-value and long-term projects like data governance and application development if they are required to spend hours responding to demands for reports. Less IT support requests and more technological innovations are produced when users are given the tools to generate their own insights. A relatively quick response time in terms of result. Agile processes and well-informed decision-making are essential for outperforming the competition. Business users may spend more time investigating data, weighing insights, and taking decisive actions to use self-service data analytics while spending less time arguing over needs with the IT and discussing data science versus data analytics. Guarantee an improved data literacy level. Giving the staff the training they need to interpret, manipulate, analyze, and defend data is one way to support the development of their analytical talents. That is the essence of data literacy and the basis for a culture that is data-driven. A self-service analytics platform can help your company become more data literate. Vast data discovery opportunities. Every business user has a different Every business user has a different requirement. Thus, they have to be free to manipulate their data however they see fit. However, they are likely to fall short in the insights if they are restricted to linear query-based analysis. Users can freely explore data with a clicks associative engine to find insights they never imagined. Now, if we divert our focuses towards the real-time analytics, real-time insights are made available to seize time-sensitive opportunities. While data-driven insights can undoubtedly aid in mapping out a company's and its department's long-term plans, some opportunities can only be discovered and seized through real-time insights. Companies will be able to quickly decide whether to double down on a plan, cut down back on exposure, or quickly develop a campaign to take advantage of a seasonal event like Christmas sale, thanks to real-time analytics and insights. The way you utilize insight is optimized in real-time analytics. The method by which the insights are being tapped into inquiries is one of the major obstacles to creating a data-driven organization. Instant insights lead to speedier wins, a successful change management tactic that demonstrates to management and staff the potential benefits of data-driven decision-making. Early issue detection is made possible through real-time analytics. Real-time analytics is a powerful defense tool that aids business in preventing customer despair, service outages, and even catastrophic failures. It is not just for increasing profits. Rather, consider the financial sector's risk identification as an example. With the intricate interconnected models, banks need real-time analytics to enhance their risk detection process and quickly identify potential problems like fraud and cyber risks. Now let's move on to our next topic, bonus strategies. So when it comes to self-service analytics practices, data governance. A governance layer of data underpins the entire design. The correct people have the access to the right data, and data-driven insights originate from a single source of truth thanks to governance mechanisms, security and compliance, data quality controls, and metadata management and data audits. Data cataloging. Self-service analytics must allow users to rapidly access the data they require. Users may quickly locate, create, and publish datasets they can reliably analyze and share by using a regulated data catalog, which compiles all of the organization's trustworthy data. Data Analytics Platform. Business users can freely explore and evaluate their data using self-service analytics platforms. User-friendly, interactive visualizations, charts, and tables. While providing a library of pre-built analytics assets, the finest self-service platforms also allows users to build and distribute their own analytics apps, dashboards, and even reports. Data pipeline automation. The raw data of corporation, which is typically kept in a number of systems, is where self-service analytics starts. In order to deliver real-time analytics-ready data streams, the ideal data integration platform automates every step of replicating, ingesting, and transformation of this data into a data lake or data warehouse. Now, if we divert our attention to real-time analytics practices, understanding user needs. You must have a firm understanding of your business requirements before using real-time analytics. How do you intend to use real-time reporting? Is it necessary for the entire organization or simply one team? How will your team make use of the best information? Before beginning to use real-time analytics, you should have considered these questions. Data infrastructuring. You can now consider creating the data infrastructure. A pipeline will need to be established for data collection. You can use the cloud ETL or cloud data warehouse to store and analyze the data. Extract, transform, and load is referred to as ETL. It describes the procedure of gathering data from many sources, formatting it uniformly, and putting it into the warehouse for analysis. The ETL process may appear to be quite complicated. Fortunately, there are ways to automate and simplify things. Businesses can usually get real-time analytics as a result. Data Analytics Tool. After completing the infrastructure build, you will need to locate a real-time analytics tool. You will be able to quickly obtain useful insights by searching through all of that data. You can use the knowledge to remain ahead of the competition and make wise business decisions. There are many real-time and streaming analytics technologies available. You must, however, choose the data that best suits your use case. To effectively align a tool with your team's internal requirements, you must first examine those requirements. Data pinpointing. You must accurately identify the data sources before creating the appropriate data infrastructure. Additionally, you must decide what kind of data you must evaluate. Streaming data, CRM data, ERP data, and other application-specific data are just a few examples of the various types. Before deploying real-time analytics, you must carefully consider the requirements of your business or teams and map out all the important data sources and kinds. Now let's do a quick recap of the entire session. Initially, we went through what is self-service analytics. And then we went through why is self-service analytics used, after which we saw what is real-time analytics. Then we went through why is real-time analytics used, after which we saw some of the major differences between them. And then we went through various bonus strategies for both self-service analytics as well as real-time analytics. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribing to our YouTube channel and enabling that bell icon so that you will never miss any insightful updates from Intellipaat.
If you want to make a career in data science, then Intellipaat has IIT Madras Advanced Data Science and AI Certification Program. This course is of very high quality and cost effective, as it is taught by IIT professors and industry experts.